Why inlining a non-higher order function is not make it performance efficient in Kotlin. So let's see an example here. Here we have a sum function which take two integer parameters, so which indicates that it's a non-higher order function, and in this function we are calculating the sum of these two numbers and return the result. And if we make this function inline, then we will see this warning, which indicates that expected performance impact from inlining is insignificant. Inlining works best for functions with parameters of functional types, which is referring to higher order function. Here is an we have a higher order function calculate time inline, and this function take function type as a parameter, and now this is a higher order function, and if we make this function inline, then we get performance benefits of inlining if this function called in a loop or called multiple times throughout the program. So for non-higher order function, why we are saying warning? Here is the reason. JVM, Java Virtual Machine, has JIT Compiler, just-in-time compiler, which works during program execution and identify the hotspots, which are loops or frequently called functions. So what JIT does is take those hotspots and compile that code into highly optimized machine code and store in memory for later use. And when the hotspot again called, then JVM skips the interpreter and execute the much faster precompiled native code. So this inline use of this inline keyword here is redundant for this purpose, because JIT compiler automatically handling this case for those functions which are being called frequently in a loop or frequently throughout the program lifecycle.